What's going on YouTube? My name is Jay Seals and welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tick that bell icon so you don't miss any of the daily uploads here on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Now today I want to talk about a huge signing by blockchain.com. Blockchain.com has signed Dak Prescott, quarterback of the Cowboys, to a multi-year endorsement deal with their company. And according to Kim, the crypto industry is boosting its presence in sports. And we've seen that. The NFL, the NBA, NASCAR, UFC, those are like 4 huge sports that have all been signing athletes to do endorsements with them. Now, it continues to say that Prescott will appear in advertisements on TV, radio, and social media, as well as making appearances at events. And we also know that when it comes to advertisements for the NFL, the Super Bowl is like the holy grail of advertisements. Can you imagine like a blockchain.com advertisement with Dak Prescott in the Super Bowl and how many eyes that would get? I mean, it's insane. So they're driving this. They're driving these advertisements through very, very popular players in the NFL, and I think that that's going to continue. I think we're going to see more and more athletes signing these endorsement deals to help get more eyes on the crypto as the crypto industry grows. Some of the biggest athletes in the industry have already signed deals, like LeBron James signed a deal with Crypto.com. So it doesn't surprise me that Dak Prescott would be the next athlete on the list to sign an endorsement deal, as well as plenty others. But let me know down in the comments what other athletes that you think will sign an endorsement deal, as well as where you like to see them sign or who you would like them sign the deal with. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.